Hey everyone, welcome back into a tutorial. Have you ever needed to return an item on a Temu but you don't know how to return it? So in this video, I will guide you step by step process how you can return items on a Temu app. So for that, first of all, open your Temu application on a mobile device and make sure that you are logged in that. So now you can see the page of your Temu. Inside that you can see here a new icon at the bottom, tap on that. So now you can see the page here, and in that you can see your orders, tap on that. So now you can see at the top different options are there, like all orders, processing and all. So in that you can see at the last returns is there, tap on that. So if you have ordered any item, so select that item, but still I didn't order any that item and all. So if you have ordered, so tap on that, and they will be asking that why you want to return that item. So you have to explain all that issue and all related to that item. So you have to return back that item. So in this way you can return item on that team application. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for watching this video.